Okay guys, this is a 2017 Nissan Titan Pro4x, presented you from Real Deal Auto. V8 motor, 4-wheel drive. It is a rebuilt title, had damage right here. All been fixed up. A few scratches on the rim from there. It's got some good tires on it. Leather, Pro4x badging, Rockford Fosgate sound system. Start it up here for you. So 50,000, 38 miles, those are actual miles. Super low miles for this year vehicle. Has a locking differential, downhill descent. Four-wheel low, all been tested, all works. Your tow package here has a heated steering wheel, blind spot monitors, 360 camera, navigation, power sliding rear glass. It works. Tow mirrors, looks like they extend. Automatic windows, power locks, memory seats. Really good look at that seat. VIN number. Does have rear heated seats, 110 plug there. Five and a half foot bed, step that comes out there. Spray in bed liner. So it does have an aftermarket exhaust, comes out the side here. It does have a little throatier sound than a stock one. Try and give it some gas, if you can hear. Sounds pretty good. Again, Rockford Fosgate has a subwoofer in there. Check out all our inventory at realdealauto.com.